While the 2017 New York Auto Show may be overwhelmed by another variation of the Dodge Challenger, the new 2018 Kia Rio car demonstrates that the show isn't about torque and quarter-mile times. We saw the most recent cycle of the tiniest Kia the previous fall in Paris, yet we as a whole know the amount America adores vehicles, so the Korean automaker spared the four-entryway make a big appearance for the US. The Rio gets a ground-up update for what will be its fourth era. The plan typically resembles a contracted variant of the moderate-size Optima. It's nice looking, if not precisely earth-shattering. All Rios ride on 15-inch wheels. Despite the fact that they give a lot of sidewall to diminish the ride, they look only excessively little for the auto. Both the vehicle and five-entryway models are somewhat longer than the past models, which means there's a touch of additional leg and trunk space than previously. Inside, similar to the current Optima, expect a stark change over the past age with regards to fit, complete, and inside materials. From the A-column forward, the Rio is basically the same as the five-entryway. Eminently for the fragment, top trim Rios have a touchscreen infotainment framework with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Power comes exclusively from a 130 torque 1.6-liter inline-4, a not too bad measure of energy for this class. Drivers have the choice of either a 6-speed manual or 6-speed program. Efficiency numbers haven't been declared, however anticipate that it will meet or surpass the past models' appraising of 27 city and 36 interstate. The vehicle and five-entryway models are set to go at a bargain in the not-so-distant future.